Did you know that in 𝗬𝗏 during the 1960s there was a natural shopping center? At that time, the commercial activities of 𝗬𝗏 were concentrated on Via Roma, the main street that still connects Piazza Sant'Agata to Palazzo Francesco Salamone.
On this street, also known as in mezzo la piazza as evidence of its central location, you could find on both the left and right sides, almost at every doorway, artisanal workshops and retail businesses. Skilled tailors, carpenters, bakers, butchers, pastry chefs, and then also local hardware stores, fabric shops, appliance stores, fresh fruit and vegetable vendors, and even small shops where you could find various unique items like guitar strings.
Imagining Via Roma full of life, as it was about 60 years ago, is really difficult, considering that today, none of those businesses are still around.
Viaggiando per Via Roma, che era l'arteria di 𝗬𝗏, movimentata da negozi, eccetera, ho fatto a ritroso tutta la via con tutti I vari negozi e I profumi che emanavano.
The generation born in that period remembers it, still sensing the sense of this street today and seeing their childhood again within the walls of that road. If you really like the video, give it a like.
Just share it.
Then hit the follow button so you don't miss any future videos.
Buon Natale!